Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu. I'm reaching you from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to customize your YouTube channel in a proper way. All you have to do is to watch the step-by-step I'm taking in this video and you see how you can actually customize your YouTube channel, such as you can add your social media link, add your website, create a playlist, and how you can actually create a channel trailer, etc. So I'm going to show you how you can do it without any stress. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, remember to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about YouTube tips and tricks and how you can be a successful YouTuber as topic, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. I'll be glad to reply to whatsoever question you might have for me. So without wasting much of our time, so let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to open up your channel, just like what you see right here. When you open up your channel, you can come and tap on your channel icon right here at the top here. Then from here, you navigate to YouTube Studio. So at this point here, you have to come here. You come here and scroll down. And then look for customization. All right, so at this point here, these are the 3 stages you need to go through to customize your channels, such as layout, branding, and the basics info. All right, under this layout, what you can do here is that you can add a channel trailer. You can add feature videos, you can add a feature section, and etc. You can scroll down and see more stuff you can do for this channel layout. So let's get started with how you can add channel trailer to your YouTube channel. So channel trailer is something that relates to what you are offering in your channel. It can be a short video, and you can as well pick one of your previous video as your channel trailer. So I'm going to add a channel trailer right away. All you have to do is to click on add right here. So it takes you to your video. Then you can decide to choose which type of video you would like to add as your channel trailer. So you can scroll down and see the right one for your channel. All right, guys. So you can as well make use of search results right here. You can search for another video that you would like to use as your channel trailer. All right, so this video right here is what I'm going to use for the as an example for the channel trailer. All you have to do is to select the video. So when you select the video, it's going to appear right here. So when you come here, you have to come here now and click on publish. So for you to check the recent changes we made on the channel, you can come to view channel, right click on it. Okay, so you cannot okay, anyway, you can continue with your channel customization. Then later we get to see the outcome of everything we are doing so far. So you can move to branding. So under this branding right here, there are things you can do here. So you can change your channel icons, you can change your channel banner, and you can scroll down also and change your and add your channel logo or your image. So right here, what I'm using for this channel is subscribe button. So you can come here, you can click on change and bring it to your logo right here. You can put your name, you can put anything of your choice that represents your brand. That is what branding is all about in YouTube channel. So let's quickly move to the last one right here, which is basic info. So under this basic info, this is where you write your channel descriptions, and you write your you can edit your channel name at this point here. You can come here and write what your channel is all about and how people can interact with you on your channel. And also you can add languages to your channel right here, you see you can add different types of different more languages to your channel. This helps some of the people to understand more about your channel. And then down below right here, you can add links. Links here is can be your social media link, can be your website, can be your WhatsApp, etc. So what I'm going to do right here, I'm going to click on add link. So having click on add link is going to open up this way, so I can start to add a link to this particular channel. So right here, I'm going to add my WhatsApp link right here. So you can add any links to this particular point right here. So I'm going to add the WhatsApp link. Then you must have had some of the link right here. I have my link right here. So I'm going to copy the WhatsApp link. So whoever click on the link, it take them straight to my WhatsApp. So I'm going to come back here. You come here, and this is where you paste the link. Control V to paste. So you can see that it has been embedded. So you can scroll down, and or you can basically add more links right here. So you can click on add more links, and come here, title the name, so Facebook. Okay, so go back to where you have the link and copy the link just like that. Control Z to copy, and you come back here and paste. Control V to paste. So we are still you can add as many as possible links to your channel, adding more links. So right here, I'm going to put in my Instagram handle link. So I'll come back here, and I'm going to copy the link right here. Copy, and I'll come back here and paste the link right here. Okay. So when you are done with every necessary thing you would like to edit on your channel, kindly come here and make sure you click on published. By doing that, your channel customization is going to be published. Then you can go back and check on the new features we have to the channel. Okay. Right now we have successfully published the channel. So let's take a look at the channel. All you have to do is to click on this point here, view channel. So click on view channel. It takes you to the channel page. Then you'll be able to see some of the changes you are able to do, some of the customization you are able to do in your channel. So let's see. So right here, guys, so you can see that we have able to customize some of the things on our channel, and you can see the channel trailer. So the video begins to play each time people visit your channel. And then some of the section right here are uploads and popular uploads. And you can come to the tab. You can see at the tab right here now, we have our WhatsApp link, and we have our Facebook link, we have our Instagram link. So if I click on any of this link, it's open in a new tab, and you see people can connect with me from the each of the link right here. So this is the WhatsApp Instagram link. So right here you can see the Instagram has been connected, and the user have to log in with username and password to be able to view my Instagram page. If it is my Facebook page, you can see it has been fully loaded up just like that. So you can see how people can be more connect with you from your YouTube channel. And then lastly, this is the Instagram. This is the WhatsApp link I was able to add to the channel. So you can see I'm chatting with you from your YouTube channel. I need so. This is how you customize, add some links to your YouTube channel in step-by-step tutorial without any stress. All you have to do is to understand what step I take and how you can apply it from your own hand, and you're going to be fine. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.